Looking for the best vacuums for tile floors in 2026? In this video, we've picked the top vacuum cleaners you can buy right now to keep your tile floors and grout lines perfectly clean. From cordless sticks to powerful uprights and smart robot vacuums, let's get started. Starting at number 1. iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner K90. The iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner K90 is a cordless pool vacuum robot designed for efficient and automated pool maintenance. It offers up to 9 hours of runtime and features turbo suction power with 200% increased cleaning performance to effectively remove dirt, debris, and fine particles from pools. Equipped with smart 3D navigation, it intelligently maps the pool for thorough and systematic cleaning of both in-ground and above-ground pools. The built-in touchscreen interface allows for easy control and operation, making it user-friendly and convenient. With its sleek black design, the K90 provides a powerful and modern solution for hassle-free pool cleaning. Number 2. Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The cordless vacuum cleaner is a powerful and efficient cleaning device designed for modern home use, featuring a 650W motor and strong 55 kPa suction for deep cleaning performance. It offers up to 70 minutes of runtime, making it suitable for cleaning larger areas without frequent recharging. The self-standing design adds convenience for storage and quick pauses during cleaning, while the anti-tangle brush helps effectively remove pet hair and debris from carpets and floors. A smart display provides real-time information such as battery status and suction mode. With a large 1.8L dust cup and lightweight stick design, it is ideal for homes with pets, carpets, and everyday cleaning needs. Number 3. DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum. The DREAME L40 Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop is a high-performance smart cleaning device designed for fully automated home maintenance. It delivers powerful 25,000 pascals suction to effectively remove dust, dirt, and debris from various floor types, while the extendable side brush and mop ensure thorough cleaning along edges and corners. The all-in-one self-emptying and cleaning dock reduces manual maintenance by automatically handling dust disposal and mop cleaning. With support for voice and app control, users can easily schedule and customize cleaning tasks from anywhere. Finished in a sleek white design, this robot vacuum and mop offers a convenient and advanced solution for effortless home cleaning. Number 4. Lefant LiDAR Robot Vacuum and Mop M5. The Lefant LiDAR Robot Vacuum and Mop M5 Pro is an advanced smart cleaning device designed for efficient and hands-free home maintenance. It features powerful 18,000 pascals suction to effectively pick up dust, dirt, and debris from multiple floor types. Equipped with LiDAR navigation and PSD 2.0 obstacle avoidance, it intelligently maps your home and navigates around furniture and obstacles with precision. The all-in-one system includes a self-emptying station that can store dust for up to 120 days, along with a self-cleaning roller mop and auto-drying function for improved hygiene. With support for both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi, users can easily control and schedule cleaning through a mobile app for a fully automated cleaning experience. Number 5. Shark NV501 Rotator. The Shark NV501 Rotator Professional Lift-Away Upright Vacuum is a powerful and versatile cleaning solution designed for deep and efficient home cleaning. It features lift-away technology, allowing the canister to detach for portable cleaning of stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with a HEPA filter, it helps trap dust, allergens, and fine particles for cleaner indoor air. The swivel steering design ensures easy maneuverability around furniture, while the LED headlights illuminate hidden debris. It also comes with useful attachments, including a wide upholstery tool, dusting brush, and crevice tool, making it ideal for cleaning carpets, floors, and above-floor surfaces. The white and red design adds a modern touch to this reliable upright vacuum. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home cleaning and product reviews. All product links are in the description below, check them out.